We're gonna go from the 3. It's in the key of C, and the tempo is 130. So we're gonna go from the 3 to the 1 to the 2. It's gonna go like this. So I'm gonna copy that electro sound to the guitar. So it's gonna sound like this. So that's it, and then you got so now you got that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the bass line in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the accents in. You're gonna create 6 MIDI tracks. You're gonna go to your mixer. You're gonna set them up where each track goes to a separate track. Okay. You go hit Alt and record, and then it's gonna It's gonna arm all 6 of the tracks. Just go ahead and record that. You're gonna record that up to 16 bars. There it is. We're gonna turn that MIDI into audio. You're gonna name your tracks before you record them. That's your piano. So I just put piano 1. Just record the track. That's the piano. Okay, that's the synth. We already got it labeled synth. We're gonna go ahead and record that. Make sure you got your synth soloed on the Triton. It's going in through MIDI, so you gotta have it soloed, else all the tracks will come through. Okay, now that we've got all the MIDI files turned into audio, we really don't need those MIDI tracks anymore since we've already turned them into audio. But for right now, we're going to get rid of those. Since we use Inbox for our interface, it's going to be a little latency. This is what you're going to do. You're going to blow this up a little bit. You're going to cut that boy at 5.1. Cut it from 5.1 to 7.1. You're going to copy that. And then you're just going to put that at the beginning of the track. Paste it. Now it's going to sound better. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I got my MPC 2500 out, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little kick in the track. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and stack another kick on top of that kick. So I got this one. So it's going to go like this. I'm going to go ahead and put the toms in. On the toms, I'm going to use the note repeat and the 16 levels, so I can go up and down the scale. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Okay, I'm gonna let you hear it with the rest of the drum tracks. Okay, I got 2 sounds that I want to put in there next. It's that one and that, and I'm gonna use the note repeat on it. I'm gonna use that, so I'm gonna put that in. gonna go ahead and run the tracks from the MPC 2500 into Pro Tools. I got it MIDI'd up. You got it running through your interface, and we're gonna go ahead and hit record, and that's the kick right there. We're gonna go ahead and put a couple of plugins in the track. So you go open up stereo instrument track, and well, it's instruments, one of my favorite. Yeah, well, my favorite plug-in right now is the Maschine VST. Actually, I found a kick that I like better than the kick that I got off the MPC, and I'm gonna go ahead and record the kick onto the instrument track. Gonna go in the MIDI editor, and you're gonna put everything on the grid. You can move each note individually. You can also go up here under events, go to quantize, and just hit apply, and that'll quantize all the tracks. There's also a section down here at the bottom where you control the velocity. Velocity is the loudness. I'm gonna just keep those as is for right now, unless some of them might be a little low. You would turn them up. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go in and turn that into audio. Open up one audio track. And you're just gonna go ahead, you're gonna bust it out of the MIDI track and into the audio. Then you're gonna solo it and go ahead and record it. It's turning that track into audio, from MIDI information to audio. Okay, this is what I got so far on this one. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and put an 808 with it, and a couple of sound effects, and it'll be a wrap on this one.